The Central University of Kerala is situated in the Periya village of Kasaragod. CU Kerala was founded following the Act No. 25, named as the Central Universities Act 2009, passed by the Indian Parliament in 2009, which came into force on 15th January 2009. The university is founded on the noble vision of caring wisdom and is guided by the lofty ideals of academic and social commitment, moral steadfastness, and intellectual and spiritual enlightenment. The university opened its academic portals in October 2009 with 17 students enrolled in 2 postgraduate programs operating from a rented building at Nayanmar Mula on the outskirts of the Kasaragod town. From this humble beginning, the university has grown into an institution offering 27 postgraduate, 2 undergraduate, and 22 research programs with a total enrollment of 3,346 students representing 20 states and 2 union territories. Our student population comprises of 78% females. Our faculty team comprises 199 members and administrative team has 118 members who hail from 16 different states of our country. Our main campus is built on the 310 acres of land allotted by the Government of Kerala in 2012. The permanent campus has a built-up area of 7 lakh square feet. Apart from the Kasaragod main campus, we have 2 more campuses, Capital Center at Thiruvananthapuram and the Law Center at Tiruvalla. The core values of CUK are punctuality, inclusiveness, mentoring, mutual respect, and professionalism. The Student Council of Central University of Kerala. The Central University of Kerala takes it as a matter of pride that every year we have a democratically elected, vibrant student council so that the voices of the students and their legible demands are heard and attended to by the university authorities in time. Kasaragod Botanical Garden and Research Center. The Kasaragod Botanical Garden and Research Center KBGRC is a green campus activity by the Department of Plant Science CUK. KBGRC aims to be an outstanding botanical garden in the country, providing a fertile ground for plant diversity, conservation, and allied research. Accommodation facilities within the campus. Currently, there are 5 hostels for women students with an accommodation capacity of 878 inmates. These hostels are named after the famous rivers of our country, Kabani, Nila, Pamba 1, Pamba 2, Madhuvahini are the hostels for women students and scholars. The construction of another new girls' hostel with a projected capacity of 300 students is almost complete. Our 3 men's hostels have an accommodation capacity of 718 inmates. They are Periyar, Neyar, and Amravati. The construction of another new men's hostel with an accommodation capacity of 300 inmates is nearing completion. Both women's as well as men's hostels are provided with separate state-of-the-art kitchen facilities and dining halls. Our hostel menu accommodates the culinary diversity of our vast nation to the maximum possible ways. The newly inaugurated faculty quarters of Central University of Kerala has got 40 apartments. Nilagiri Guest House. Another recent infrastructural addition to our campus academic life is the Nilagiri Guest House, which is an architectural work of art installed atop a small hill on the campus, which is a scenic attraction. The conference hall in the guest house has all the required state of the technological and logistical accessories. Nilagiri Guest House has 13 double bedrooms and 4 suites and a well-kept dining hall and kitchen. Central University Library. The library of Central University of Kerala has a decent collection of learning resources in arts, humanities, sciences, and social sciences. The library supports research and all educational endeavors of students, research scholars, and the faculty by collecting, organizing, preserving, and disseminating information, apart from providing need-based services, including online information resources. There is a library committee for the development of the library and to guide its activities. The library is fully automated with the Koha open source integrated library management system with radio frequency identification technology. A total of 17,966 titles were added to the library stack during the last 5 years. The under construction permanent library building has 36,618 square feet floor capacity. The University Creche. For providing a peaceful working environment for working parents of the university with kids, the Central University of Kerala is running a small creche within the campus. Trained teachers, supporting staff, and child-friendly toys are provided in this small but very neatly kept facility.
कैंपस में बुनियादी सुविधाएं छात्रों और कर्मचारियों के कैंपस जीवन को और अधिक परेशानी मुक्त बनाने के उद्देश्य से केरल केंद्रीय विश्वविद्यालय सब्सिडी वाली बस यात्रा, मुफ्त बस शटल सेवाएं, मुफ्त ई-स्कूटर, ई-बग्गी और साइकिल जैसी बुनियादी सुविधाएं प्रदान कर रहा है। परिसर में उपलब्ध कैफेटेरिया छात्रों और कर्मचारियों के मिलने जुलने का एक प्रमुख स्थान है। हमारे परिसर में सुरक्षा व्यवस्था का और एक उदाहरण समर्पित पैदल मार्ग है। हाल ही में भारत सरकार के डाक विभाग ने हमारे परिसर में एक समर्पित डाकघर खोला है। बैंक, एटीएम, कैंटीन आदि परिसर में परेशानी मुक्त जीवन के लिए योगदान देते हैं। अरावली स्वास्थ्य और चिकित्सा सेवा केंद्र 2 डॉक्टर, नर्स, फार्मासिस्ट और अन्य सहायक कर्मचारियों के साथ केरल केंद्रीय विश्वविद्यालय का अरावली स्वास्थ्य और चिकित्सा सेवा केंद्र विश्वविद्यालय समुदाय की प्राथमिक चिकित्सा आवश्यकताओं का ख्याल रखता है। अरावली केंद्र द्वारा 24 घंटे ऑन साइट और ऑन कॉल परामर्श तथा 24 घंटे एम्बुलेंस सेवा, बुनियादी स्वास्थ्य जांच और महामारी के अवसर की निगरानी व देखभाल की जाती है।
Sporting facilities in the university. The sporting facilities in the university is gradually growing. Football grounds, indoor game facilities, basketball courts, and other facilities are being developed. However, with these limited facilities, our students and staff often bring glories to the university by winning major sporting competitions. Cultural life in the campus. Central University of Kerala always tries to keep the cultural life of the campus community alive and active by organizing music band performances, cultural events, theatre workshops, etc. We have an open-air theatre and multi-purpose auditorium to support the cultural initiatives of our students and staffs. The University Art Gallery and Museum showcases the cultural diversity of our nation, India, the state of Kerala, and the district of Kasaragod. Care and inclusiveness. Upholding the spirit of care and inclusiveness, all our buildings are constructed in specially abled people-friendly manner. All academic buildings are provided with ladies' room, which functions as comfort zones in the time of need. Central Instrumentation Lab. In order to provide access to high-end research equipment and other technical support across departments, Central University of Kerala has started a Central Instrumentation Lab which houses very sophisticated scientific research apparatus. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Bhavan. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Bhavan is another newly added infrastructural landmark in the campus. This centrally air-conditioned building is dedicated for housing all the major administrative officials like the Vice Chancellor, the Registrar, the Controller of Examination, the Finance Officer, and the other administrative staff. Our teaching and research schools and departments. There are 27 teaching and research departments in the Central University of Kerala. These departments are placed under 12 schools of learning. Following are our teaching and research departments. Department of English and Comparative Literature. Department of Economics. Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. Department of Zoology. Department of Genomic Science. Department of Physics. Department of Computer Science. Department of Hindi. Department of Mathematics. Department of Botany. Department of Chemistry. Department of Environmental Studies. Department of International Relations and Politics. Department of Linguistics. Department of Social Work. Department of Education. Department of Law. Department of Malayalam. Department of Public Health and Community Medicine. Department of Public Administration and Policy Studies. Department of Geology. Department of Yoga. Department of BA, International Relations and Politics. Department of Management Studies. Department of Commerce and International Business. Department of Tourism Studies. Department of Kannada. Integrated Teacher Education Program, ITEP. The Department of Education, Central University of Kerala, is one of the very few institutions which were granted the prestigious Integrated Teacher Education Program or ITEP. These 4-year integrated programs include BSc B.Ed in Physics and Zoology, BA B.Ed in English and Economics, and BCom B.Ed.